There are many places to explore in Ireland. Today, I will be showing you 3 different locations in 3 counties that you can visit in just one day. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, my name is Slane. We are going to 3 different locations in 3 different counties, just for one day. The first place that we are going to visit is the Hill of Slane in County Meath. The weather is not cooperating with us today, but we are hoping for the best. It's Ireland, the weather changes every minute. We have now arrived here in the Hill of Slane. There's a free parking space, but be careful because there are thieves in operation. The Hill of Slane, overlooking the prehistoric passage mounds of the Boyne Valley, is famous as the place where St. Patrick lit the Paschal fire, bringing Christianity to Ireland. In mythology, it was said to be the burial place of a fearful king called Slane. A motte on its summit may in fact be a prehistoric burial mound. We're walking beside the road because we don't have €5 coins and the card doesn't work. So we have to walk for probably 20 minutes. This is the parking space, so basically you have to pay for €5. We saved €5 by parking outside, and it was such a short walk anyway. We just bought our coffee, so we will be more energized to walk. Dunnary Forest Park is a forest park situated in County Cavan, next to the border with County Monaghan. It was a 35 minutes drive from the Hill of Slane. There is a great diversity of wildlife in the park. The flora is varied and in many areas spectacular. The ground is in season, carpeted with a rich layer of plants including snowdrops, bluebells, wood anemone, wood rush, foxgloves, wood sorrel, and a wide range of ferns. I enjoyed walking in the forest, and it is probably one of my favorite forests I've been in Ireland. There are different trails, and it can be done by all ages. We have now finished exploring the forest, so we are going back to the parking lot. The shops are still closed and they're only open for takeaways, so we just bought super processed food, but it's only what we've got right now. Oh, it's still smoking!
Fresh from the oven.
Wow! From Dunnary Forest, we continued our road trip driving 35 minutes to Castle Roche. This is the traffic jam that you will have in the countryside of Ireland. Come on! Please stop there! Oh my god, so good! Castle Roche is an Anglo-Norman castle in ruins located in County Louth. There is no allocated parking space for this monument, but you can just park in the narrow laneway in front of the castle. Just do not block the farm gate. Castle Roche was built by the Verdun family in the 13th century. The word Roche in its name comes from Old French and means rock, as a reference to its location. The views of the surroundings from above are truly impressive. The castle is believed to have been built in 1236 by Lady Roche de Verdun after the death of her husband. The story goes that she promised her hand in marriage to the architect who would build her a castle at Roche. When he went to claim her hand, she had him thrown from one of the windows, which to this day is known as the murder window. Another place that you can add to this trip is the famous Newgrange. Newgrange is a prehistoric monument in County Meath, just 10 minutes driving from the hill of Slane. My husband went back few days later to take these amazing drone shots. We couldn't visit Newgrange in this trip because it is still closed due to the pandemic. It is an exceptionally grand passage tomb built during the Neolithic period, around 3200 BC, making it older than Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.